Alright, good day and welcome to your past exam paper compilation. Here we're looking at algebraic equations, expressions, and inequalities. These are your question 1 and question 2 in exams. And this is just to show you similarities between how we ask it, what's important to practice, and so on. And in a separate edition, we will do your exam questions. So, question 1. Solve for x in each of the following. This is November 2016. I go to November 2014. Question 1, solve for x. You see solve for x? Solve for x. So generally in question 1, when you say solve for x, it's equations, meaning all the problems will either have equal signs, less than or bigger than. So you see equal, 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 equal. We come this side there, you see solve for x equal to 0, equal to 2, equal to 5, greater or equal to 0, equal to 2 minus 1. Look at question 1. They've given 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. There they say leave your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So this simply means quadratic formula. We come to November 2014. There you should see x squared minus 5x equal 2. Also correct to 2 decimal places. Quadratic formula. So we're testing you on the same thing. Alright. Then we have to test you on the rules of factorization from what you've learned in grade 10 and grade 11. They have given you a trinomial, testing whether you can factorize. We come over, in this November 2014, they already factorized the trinomial for you and just testing whether you can find the roots or your x-intercepts. Alright? Go further. Inequality given, 2 terms, testing common factor or difference of 2 squares, less than 0. If we go to November 2014, you see there I also have an inequality, and here I'm testing whether you can factorize a trinomial. Right? We continue further with November 2016. There I'm given exponential equation, testing whether you can add it. Right? 1.1.4. Right? And if we go over to November 2014, there they've given us a third equation that we have to solve. So it's either third or exponential equation that's tested in exam, so you have to practice both of them. Go to 1.1.5. This to me personally has become exam favorite. We test whether you can square third and leave it on its own, so we have to get rid of plus 3. Take it to the other side, then square that. We come to 1.1.3 here of November 2014. There also you see we have a third equation. We're testing whether you can square it. Get rid. We must get minus 4 over and leave the third on its own. Right? Then compulsory always. Grade 10, 11, 12. Simultaneous equation. One linear equation where x and y is to the power 1. One quadratic equation where x or y would be squared. Substitution. We go to November 2014. There's a linear equation. X and y to the power 1, there's x squared. We have to substitute, so quadratic. So same concept. Alright? Yeah, nature of roots, optional question, not always asked, but can be asked at any time, so make sure you practice your nature of roots. We come to November 2014, you see here, we omitted and we didn't ask you on nature of roots. And we go to question 2. Simplify fully without the use of a calculator. If you look at this question 2, simplify the following fully. Right? There are 5a minus 2, minus sign at the bottom. So here we are testing adding and subtracting of exponents, taking out common factor to solve. We look at 2.1, adding and subtracting of exponents. Can you take out the common factor? Go further. Here we're testing thirds. Can you make them like terms because of the minus sign? My apologies. Because of the minus sign, we're testing whether you can make those two like terms and simplify. If we come over to this here we're testing multiplication of thirds. You can multiply one third with another third and simplify. So you should pick up there, we're testing addition and subtraction of thirds. So that's just a basic guide to how you should interpret and go about exams. Best advice I can give you, always ensure that you do your exam revision question for question. So if you're doing one question one, do another 3 to 6 question ones. If you truly want to master and score distinction, rule always was try to do 12 question ones. That way you see all the ways we try to test you and catch you out. All the best. God bless. Go through. There is a video done on how we solve and attempt each of these problems. All the best. I guarantee you'll be successful. Just continue having the desire and hunger to make a success of your life.